Your wrist starts to throb after just 10 minutes of attacking those stubborn tiles in the shower, and it is a specific kind of soul-crushing frustration. You are down on your knees, sweat is dripping, and the grout still looks just as gray and dingy as when you started your morning. This is exactly where the promise of a high-speed electric scrubber starts to look like a genuine lifeline for your joints. We are looking at a handheld tool that claims to take that grueling physical burden off your shoulders by using a motor that spins at over 300 rotations every single minute. That is a lot of mechanical power concentrated right in the palm of your hand. It sounds like a total dream for anyone who dreads the Saturday morning call list or feels the ache of manual labor. The design is clearly built to be ergonomic and easy on your grip, so you do not have to squeeze tight while the motor does the heavy lifting. It comes with those interchangeable heads that make you feel like you have a specialized solution for every single corner of the house. You can swap from a heavy-duty brush meant for the thick grime on your car rims to something a bit more pointed for those impossible bathroom corners where mold likes to hide. The brand says it would blast through soap scum and thick kitchen grease with almost no effort on your part. However, we really need to look at the practical reality of how these gadgets behave when you are actually in the middle of a serious deep cleaning session. The biggest talking point usually revolves around the battery life and the recharging cycle. You get about 2 hours of continuous work time on a single charge. That might sound like plenty of time for a quick touch-up, but it feels different when you realize how long it takes to get that battery back to a full charge. If you run out of power halfway through the kitchen floor or the guest bathroom, you are essentially stuck waiting for several hours before you can finish the job. That kind of downtime can absolutely kill your motivation and leave your house in a state of mid-clean chaos for the rest of the afternoon. Then there's the delicate question of what surfaces you are actually touching with those rotating bristles. This motor has some serious torque and kick to it, which is great for power but risky for soft finishes. While it is fantastic for stone or metal or tough ceramic tile, those standard bristles can be far too aggressive for some delicate materials. If you try to use it on a high gloss finish or a piece of expensive polished furniture, you might end up with swirl marks or scratches that you did not plan for. It is definitely not a magic wand that works on every single square inch of your home without a second thought. You still have to be the intelligence behind the machine and choose your battles wisely. It is also vital to remember that the mechanical spinning does not replace the need for chemistry. You still have to do the work of finding the right cleaning solution to break down the specific type of grime you are facing. The scrubber provides the raw friction, but the spray or the foam provides the chemical breakdown. Most people who use this device end up loving how it saves their wrists from that repetitive strain, but they also quickly realize it is not a hands-free miracle. You still have to guide the device and apply the right amount of pressure. You have to manage your expectations when it comes to that charging cycle. It is a solid and legitimate tool for the right job, but it requires a bit of common sense and a good amount of patience to really see the results you want without any accidental damage to your home surfaces.